facilities, learning spaces, and program offerings, the 2022-23 academic year at Lakeland College was one of new beginnings. It was a year that saw us support more than 6,000 credit and non-credit students go beyond the classroom and become highly capable thinkers and doers. Acquire 8 quarters of land thanks to donor support, and increase the size of our campus farm to 3,700 college-owned acres. Cheer for our first-year power and process engineering students as they achieved a 100% success rate on their first provincial exam, for the first time in college history. Celebrate the first graduates of our Bachelor of Agriculture Technology program, the first such degree program in Canada. Win awards and national recognition, including 2 national titles. At Lakeland, our students learn by doing. This year, that looked like our emergency services technology assisted with the wildfire situation in Entwistle, Alberta. The first bison unit on the student-managed farm, powered by New Holland, welcoming the country's first post-secondary commercial bison units to campus. Our hairstyling and esthetician students worked with real clients in our student-run salon and spa. The Inspiring Women Conference, Dress for Success, managing a daycare, 10 years of Band in the Sand, and so much more. Experiential learning is the foundation of what we do. 93% of our programs offer work-integrated learning opportunities. We continue to upgrade our programs to reflect changes in industry, including developing 2 new programs. Agri-Sales and Customer Relations, launched in January, and a Renewable Resource Reclamation major in Environmental Sciences will welcome students this fall. Collaborations with school divisions increased, creating more opportunities for high school students to take dual credit courses. Progress continued on a Vermilion campus renewal project, with the grand opening of the modernized and expanded WHT Mead building. Residence upgrading continued, and work is underway on transforming the Bentley building. Because of our generous supporters, over $1.3 million in awards, scholarships, and bursaries was distributed to more than 1,100 students. In addition to awards, our donors supported Lakeland and our students in many other ways, creating new opportunities in and beyond the classroom. As part of our commitment towards reconciliation, we held Truth and Reconciliation events, trades exposure camps for Indigenous communities, and cultural events. We hosted the Interschool Traditional Powwow and the Education is Our New Buffalo workshop. Our Indigenous services and supports were recognized with an award from the Tribal Chiefs Training and Employment Association and Indigi Connect, as well as the annual Aztec Awards. Lakeland also recognized Black History Month in 2023 with a series of events, including a keynote address from Dr. Andy Knight. With the support of the government, industry, community, and research partners, our applied research team continued developing real solutions for real challenges to help producers and industry. We were named one of the top 50 research colleges in Canada. We've received other awards too. Lakeland was named one of Alberta's top 75 employers. The student-managed farm, powered by New Holland, was recognized with an Aztec Award from Technology Alberta. The SMF also received the Agriculture Award at the Vermilion and District Chamber of Commerce Small Business Awards. Third-year carpentry apprentice Tyler Benfeld won gold at both Skills Alberta and Skills Canada. Rhea Holt, class of 2022 Interior Design Technology, won second place in the National Kitchen and Bath Association Student Design Competition. Our Interior Design Technology program received a 2023 NKBA Excellence in Education Award from National Kitchen and Bath Association. Our Rustlers student-athletes continued to make us proud. Lakeland Rodeo Team excelled at the Canadian College Finals Rodeo, coming back champions of goat tying, pole bending, and team roping. The wrestlers' mixed curling team won the provincial championship, and our women's volleyball team were crowned national champions.
Another great serve. What a dink though by Varga. Gets right back up. Swings! And that is how you win a championship.
Lakeland continues to excel in all areas, including enhancing the rural sustainability of our region. Through alumni contributions, college operations, and student spending, Lakeland adds $130.6 million to the economy each year. The 2022-23 academic year was one of growth and change. We welcomed new members to our Board of Governors, including Kelly Smith-Fraser and Barb Shackle-Hardman. Dr. Todd Sumner became our Vice President of Academic and Research, and Sean McCary became the Dean of the Emergency Training Center. As the 105th academic year draws to a close, we have much to celebrate. The collective efforts of Lakeland students, employees, alumni, and supporters help build a better world. Here's to a successful academic year. We can't wait for the next.